Everybody speaks English, no mistakes.
Today, what is yours and what is not yours?
The ball is mine.
We know, Johnny. Everybody knows. Chloe, look around your room. What do you have?
I have a bed. I have a window. I have a lamp and a chair. I have books, and I have a photo of my family.
Good. Now, what does Johnny have?
He has a ball. He has a bowl. He has 4 feet.
Feet are not things you have. Feet are me.
That is a very good question.
Is it?
In English we say, I have 4 feet, and also, I am tall. The feet are things. Tall is not a thing.
My feet are things.
Your feet are parts. Parts are things you have.
I have 2 ears, 1 tail, and 4 feet.
And a very good memory.
Milo, what do you have?
I have a sofa.
Everybody knows about the sofa. What else?
I have a window. I have a bowl. I have a warm place near the door. I have everything I need.
Do you have a family?
I have a house with people in it.
Milo, that is a family.
That is a house with people in it.
Now the questions. Chloe, ask.
Johnny, do you have a car?
No, I do not have a car. I am a dog.
Milo, does Johnny have a ball?
Yes, he does. He has 1 ball and he loses it every day.
Robert, does Milo have a friend?
Yes, he does.
No, he does not.
Robert said yes and you said no. Who is right?
I am right. It is my life.
I am right. I have eyes.
Robert has eyes. That is a thing you have.
Johnny, not now.
But he used it correctly.
He did. Chloe, let him have it. Last one. Everybody, say what you have.
I have a ball, a bowl, 4 feet, and 3 friends.
I have a family, a house, a dog, a cat, and a bear.
I have a garden, a girl who asks questions, a dog who never stops, and a cat who never starts.
Milo, your turn.
I have a sofa.
Milo,
And I have them.
He has us. Chloe. He said he has us.
I said them. Them is not us.
You are one of us, so them is us.
His grammar is getting dangerous.